Hi everyone. Today we will discuss some questions from SAT subject test Math Level 2. Okay, number 17. What is the distance in space between 2 points? Okay, we will discuss something first. If you have just a plane, for example x-axis, y-axis, and you have 2 points, for example here, and another point is here, let the coordinate of the one point is x1, y1, and this is x2, y2. Then what is the distance? I hope you remember this one. Using Pythagorean theorem, you have x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared, right? Okay, how about if this situation happens in a space? So x-axis is here, y-axis is here, z-axis is here. Now you have 2 points, one point here, another point here. Now coordinate of the first point, let this is x1, y1, z1, and this is x2, y2, z2. Okay, now what is the different distance? We can use the Pythagorean theorem twice to find the distance. The result will be x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared plus z2 minus z1 squared. Okay, so in the case we have these 2 points, so x2 minus x1 will be positive 5, so 5 squared here, and the y2 minus y1 will be negative 7. Well, negative 7 squared is the same as 7 squared. z2 minus z1 is 4 minus 7, which is negative 3, so negative 3 squared is the same as just 3 squared, right? So this is 25, 49, 9. 58 plus 25 will be 83, right? We must find the value of square root of 83. This is a calculator part. You can use the calculator, but in the case, since square root of 81 is 9, we can guess the square root of 83 will be slightly greater than 9. In this case, we are lucky. We have only one possible choice. Okay. Now, next question. If f of x is here, what value does f of x approaches as x gets infinitely larger? Some limit question. Let me copy first the equation. F of x will be 3x plus 12, 2x minus 12. When x approaches infinity, please note that the numerator approaches infinity because we have a 3x, right? And also the denominator also approaches infinity. So we have infinity over infinity form. So we must handle this one. In this case, you can divide numerator and denominator by x. Then you have 3 plus 12 over x and 2 minus 12 over x. Is correct? Now, when x approaches infinity, we know that this will approach 0. This will also approach 0. So we can find the answer very quickly, right? 3 over 2 here. Now, next question. Human of January 1990, the world population was given here 5.3 billion, and growth rate is 2% per year. They gave us the formula. P equals 5.3 times 1.02 to the t power, where t is the number of years after 1990. Question. From 1995 to 1996, how the population growth will be how much? How many people will be increased for this between these 2 years? So the difference can be found by here. You can plug in 6 and 5, right? Because t is the number of years after 1990. So the difference will be 5.3 times 1.02 to the 6th power minus 5.3 1.02 to the 5 power. Okay. Yeah, this is a calculator part question. So if you calculate this one, this will be about 0.117 something. In this case, the unit is the billion. So 0.117 billion is where? Yes, here, right? 117 million will be the number of people increased by this year. Okay. Now, last question today. What is the measure of one of the larger angle of a parallelogram? Wow, they gave us some coordinate and point. Let me roughly sketch the picture. 2,1 about here. 5,2 about here. 5,1, excuse me. 5,1 here. And 3,5 here. And 6,5 here. Yes, we have parallelogram. Good. And the question asks us what is the measure of larger angles. So definitely, judging from the picture, we need this one, right? We can use many different information, but I think we can solve this one by finding the slope of this one. What is the slope of this line connecting 5, 1, 6, 5? By definition, slope is a change in y divided by change in x, right? So 5 minus 1, 6 minus 5, which is the 4. Wow, slope is 4. Now if we say this one is a theta, and please note that slope will be defined by tangent theta, right? Because tangent is y over x. So from this, how can you find the theta? Yes, this is a calculator part question. So theta will be arctan over 4. Okay? Yeah, definitely we need a calculator. If you can press this button, you can see about 76 degree. Now, this is a 76 degree. Large angle is here. And these two angles, our question angle and 76 must be 180 when add, right? So our angle, this one, will be 180 degree minus 76, or 104 degree. we have this one. Yes. Okay, that's it today. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.